Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you some 3 easy way to make money online in this year 2023. I know you must have seen videos like this online on YouTube where they say how to make money online, easy ways to make money online 2023, but most of them didn't work for you. But this particular video is an exception to that. It's going to work for you 100%. Well, before I dive into today's video, you are welcome to GP General's channel. If you are visiting my channel for the very first time, why don't you click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop content like this. And make sure you give me a like and drop a comment on this particular video so that it will help my video go far in the internet. Now, before I dive straight into the video, please, this video is not for financial advice. I'm just educating you. And also, you should know that irrespective of the community or country that you are, the economic community or state of your country, one can make money because making money is in the mind. Now, let's dive straight to the video. The very first one that I'll be showing you today is affiliate marketing. Well, I have made a video on this, and if you need it, you can actually search on my playlist how to make something, how to end. You see it there, how to start up affiliate marketing. I did a full tutorial, a course, and a guidance on how to start affiliate marketing. And you should know that it is 100% free. You don't have to use it. Then the only thing you need is just your data, and you don't even need goods to start this. You can start selling people's goods, then you get your own commission. And if you want to start it, you can register with stakecourt.com. Well, this video is not a paid video. I'm just only bringing it so that you guys will have access to making money online. You get? And the other one is sellers.com. Well, that's the one I'm actually using, that I'm venturing now. So you can actually use that. And I've also made a video on that. You can check. And the third one is digistem.com. So you can check for it in my playlist, or you can search on WhatsApp, you can search on Google any of these theory and register. It's free of charge and it's very easy to start up, especially if you follow my guidance in the previous video that I did. Now that is ghost writing. This particular one is for people who knows how to write. And also, if you really don't know how to write but you know how to use your phone very well, there are some sites on Chrome and Google where you can see written notes, written novels, written or write up like that you can actually take from there. They are free, and copy it in this website, then you get paid. Well, this particular one, I'm not going to advise anyone to do it, but you can go for more research, then you try it. I have actually earned a lot from this particular one, this ghost writing. I've earned a lot from it. And one of the platform you can actually wattpad.com, and the other one is n-.com, and the third one is Aphanos. So you can actually check and do more research on this one. But in my next video, I'll be doing a video on how to start up this ghostwriting. You don't need anything. Even when you are not good in writing, you can actually earn from this. Because I didn't really know, I'm an engineering student, so I don't know anything like writing novels and other stuff. But well, I've earned lots. I've earned up to $500 from this particular ghostwriting. Now, the last on my list is visual assistants. Visual assistants, where you help people to do some little petty jobs. Well, I have not really earned a lot from this. I've not really earned a lot from this, but one of my mentor has actually dropped a video on this virtual assistants, and there were a lot of comments. They were like, it works, stuff like that. But I've really not checked this last one. For affiliate marketing, it works 100, but that one only works for people that has patience and people have convincing power. That's for affiliate, but ghostwriting is kind of different because this one, nobody will have to see you, nobody will have to know you first before they buy from you. You get, when people read your novel, you get paid. When people view your story, you get paid on ghostwriting. For this virtual assistant, I really don't know much about it, but I know it can work. I shouldn't lie. I know it can work. In my next video, I will try to come up with more ways on how to make money. And you should know that procrastination is the brother of laziness, and laziness is a friend to poverty. You shouldn't save this video just like that, or you shouldn't just watch this video and procrastinate that you're going to do it some other time. You can start right away with just your mobile phone. We've come to the end of today's video. I hope you will try one of these, and if it works for you, you should drop it in the comment section, and if you didn't, you can drop it in the comment section. And make sure you like this video and share this video to people you think they will need it, like your friends or people you've heard people saying how to make money online, easy ways to make money online. You can share this video to them. And make sure you subscribe to this my channel, turn on the notification bell. This will encourage me to go for more research and drop content like this. See you in my next video.